What is computer engineering? Computer engineering is a relatively new field of engineering and is one of the fastest growing fields today. It is one of today's most technologically based jobs. The field of computer engineering combines the knowledge of electrical engineering and computer science to create advanced computer systems. It involves the process of designing and manufacturing computer central processors, memory systems, and central processing units. Computer engineers work with computer-aided design programs and different computer languages so they can create and program computer systems. They use today's most technology to create tomorrow. They require a high level of training and intelligence to be skilled at their job. A bachelor's degree from college or university, a good computer engineering program, computer science program is necessary. Some advantages of being in computer engineering is that your you use your creativity when working on a project and can express yourself through the computer. Another advantage is a good pay. It is one of the highest paying fields straight out of college. There are some disadvantages also, like working at the computer all day and being inside the whole time. Another disadvantage is working on the same project for a long time and get boring sometimes if you don't have a lot of patience. I want to be a computer engineering because I think that computers are very interesting machines and they are the wave of the future. I would like to be a computer engineering mainly because I want to do something on the cutting edge of technology and computers are the way to go. That's what computer engineering means for me. Thank you.